Yedru so ya hwe ya online portal no eso nsem de obonkrata na poso ensema hodo bi aba no eno so kwasinsia commander 1 waye kwadro ya wode aba commander
adwa
ekwa aba
mejo so boko de
oh nyakopa do
de ya mi asenka trefo ne etifo se on the 1st of April Monday
Easter Monday ye be ya
ye nyina ye hia o Joy FM animwa ene e kan do na nkasa kai ye nyina ye hia o Joy FM animwa ya e wo kokomlemle anopa no so ni started fo no nsia na ye wo fo no
yes
enkwan no ayere so afri no 9 ebesi no num empem ni aya amana ben no nsia bo pounds ma adwie na fufuo no mrante wa agina so e won tintintintin no so ni ahya se serve ba so be di ntem wa na nkwan de ehia ena de fufu a ede
sa
sina hiti nso abawiem wa ma me di ntem na ma ne kowura area tova de be ye de enfifire be susan onye enfifire keto
isi ma o shower
nti amrantem ni me ba kan se nso no unse kowo kwa nso ejina
echala ebi konne na ne no
ene say Adom FM
work and happiness
ne
be free eyi na abrel lenda do
ejina musa na ofie kwa so ejina musa
yes
say aka multimedia do dia na dia asem enyina enhie okowo ko na yenkoje ani afina kwa baba tue ebiem enye kowo ba ko na be ko ntina ntimi nsifie
aw say aka say renam the nine enam sika and top plot
yenko
kwaji wani once in a while you need that relaxation
your baby as ya minimize no
yes
anko fa some kese bia so afam adwa fa ya ko kese so ko ma police fo
obi aye na adwen se kowi a wo ko no abaya bi ti se me okọ no sika nyina ye 200 Ghana
yes e bi kwa 150 ne
150 obi kura hende no kura wo momo so
yes
but omra no
oba no nyame
no kura be 10k
wo se nyakopon aka
onyame de ade ti obeche mo bi e nyane de
mo different mo
fibe mu
mini asafrade mo sense from the biada
yes ono so de ma aboa oso na duane ne wure fintatia
me obedi a me ma de nchiwoda ade achi ade obi esika hwe obi boto
yes obi abeyi ne de nso
obi esika including our president obi esika hwe boto to obi e compete afa so age ne de free obi ho no no se sika ne wo mu ane wo
yes
we twa freshman ne yi bi na free
mu yes e bi atete ana se bi ayemre
sika ne bi me count the whole system no na circulate so se mi free adwo botom no bi free botom no bi so free Thomas botom no bi free ampedi botom sa na sa kwa sa be sie so sa aja
adomonline.com newspaper headlines Thursday 28th March 2024 na sene said the enkrata abade nyina twitwa de mfonyi gu ho said the kuta commander ye bia na wo de unya adaji mie bi mu akwa twitwa ni nyina ya obehnya bi na wahwe na mrahye bedwam so ministerial nominees approval Dafia Mekpos lawyer reacts to court ruling say no be to dwa say court no akwahye injunction no nti eno mu nsem e wa ha why hearing of Dafia Mekpos injunction application was expedited. Okay, and also more MPP gets green light to settle Wale primary dispute out of court. And also some it's shameful we can't mobilize resources locally to purchase cocoa agric economy. So penny back what didn't into mind ewo kwadwuma mu nsemu na eche se awraho anim guase airtime yaw se o mayi mu yankasa yentumi nkeka yentase yentumi nkeka ye humom ni yenye sika na yemfa ento ye koko ade bia nyese hwe obi na obi abra ye bosia ne atokoko ne atua ho nsi ho ono so dasem a o kai wonti this and many more because we ho no a ye wo politics amanyo nsem obi man so nsem bi wo ho ye de bia dada setena mu nsem human interest story ni nyina bi e wo ho sanso e na agokansie ni nyina so bi wo ho ya oboradomonline.com abenya bi no akenka yenhwe de obonkrata ne so ensaba hodo
a so cocoa board die format ni the same format ni the same etinya de besa sem bibini ndisi fo ya da bi omubuye ya ena mo edu change omo sa
format ni before ba na omo de omo nipa akotina
the same bibienu a esesa na mbesa say free bra ya tie cocoa board se afibia ye nye kwa say $1,000 plan na eto won mo nke enye sike betimi ya to ya kase cocoa okay se me nka eti yesi e free be syndicated loan ama na abanyadwa
I say ba.
O kwa kwaji bosia no.
E ma ya na.
Na abuafu.
Kokotu ya soro. Na de onim so betu susu na de ayewade.
E die man ya because Cocoa the book about still near to akatwem. Na mbese mbuse ora Peter Mark man say na the carry CEO of Cocoa na akatwe say.
Na no de na ba ye yem
E na no ye be ka kire say obi gi 75,000 say.
2020 de na ba ye.
Enti we de be hwanso. Ni ehwanso man kodo ya ante.
No me hwanso.
And the Cocoa board ni am ka say ya ante. Cocoa board CEO no ya oje say. Akasi ye nya manyos man fa free man chechire mu a ye nko ba bia. Enti obi betim de 3.8 billion dollars ehunahuna ye. Na ade aye kra ni nipadua emfo aso no ye beji ato. The whole issue about this LGBTQ. Enye Bible asem, enye ahemfo asem, esikasem. Ye hu ye brabo.
They say to ade ani ato.
Yes.
A Supreme Court ruling so ansa na.
Ye
to hu na mo. Ye hu ye brabo.
And say the Supreme Court no so in a fix.
Okay.
Yes, ajua.
Nti wala sana e ba akoye na obi ma so ni nti ne ye hu de ye.
Because every decision be a free court no ababia no. Especially if omano bia no hwe the economic, political, security implications.
Okay.
The Supreme Court mean for ruling ruling be kwa ko yeche no. Emma Ghana abo.
Esika semba ye bibia wo ho.
Yes. But Supreme Court so ko for ruling be so ebeje omano hatu.
So mindful born bibi so na the decision.
Push court no into a fix.
Yes.
But just you hu ye brabo ya.
Ko bi mfa we me emma mesensen ye kom because of Quincy or the be ma yenti.
There's no billionaire in this world. You bit me raising a voice. Say you say a Britain a billionaire be e ka say Ghana je ye bill to mu a ye ho be kire a choma bia. There's no billionaire in the world who bit me raising a voice. I can the same to the United Arab Emirates. He does not.
Oma bobra o. Obi omo atimi kweti omo seed ye. Oma bobra.
Ye hu ye brabo.
Ye dey say ye hu.
Ye MPP ni ndis na manyo no mo ye omo nim ade no omo nte ase. Omo na chechire omo nte. Omo te ase na ya abro.
Okay. So omo tu kan omo.
Be bia meka say nema mienu. Ida sa wonte ne wo ye na ase. Ana so wo de abro e na ye ne wo ye. Wo te
ase na wa anye ni ye na sa abro na ye wo. Okay. Ye hwen krata ne mu nsemu.
Ayo GR so Nyankopon ya Adom ya ma ora Amisha die yeah so call retirement ko be akofo obi so a wakọ retirement e na akọ be sha nan
o mama de retirement 64 ya na
65 ya eko ene akọfa 61
obi a wasa wa retirement 61
abesha nan
se bia na obi a 54 bia ni ho 53 bia ni so
GR gets new boss. ECG board chair resigns. Approved ministers, Supreme Court to Parliament. AG ends evidence in NAM1 trial. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia commissions second fire academy. Meka Bawumia said Makai. SNP pen for Munya Dr. Bawumia.
Ade.
You see, this issue of hanging Ashanti region around Dr. Bawumia neck. Yes, Omunyai.
As a chinchina, was a way you running mate to free a certain region. So, Papa, to be encouraged, I'm telling you, woman, feel free. Come party the cry in Ashanti region, Munyo. MPP in Ashanti region, and yet, and Dr. Bawumia mistake ye, a be the free one, my what chap part you know in Ashanti region. Ashanti region ankasa no mo mayo mo say ye beto am NDC de enke ye ntokra enti nka ho de enka this year de enka vote dem ze nka tre enti se osadi agro so be sa chemu de ne no anjejireje enya de be bechem say no so kwa Ashanti region a wo fafa ba kwa tia okay Ashanti region munyo enti e be ya mane nko hokora na ehu sa bo bia enti Justin Frimpong ko wia ne national chema munyai saade no se chinchina mo de hye apa no kon se onfo bi fa enye no press ba o mi enyi obi from Ashanti region Asante man to aba mfa ma NPP ba o koyi free home mu kura be ma vote ni ma to aba ma NPP na free na NPP de ya Asante man not because there's no running mate from Ashanti region you said the money Asante man atena okay so Asante man will not vote NPP or will vote NPP based on how I'm no dealing for the past 8 years. Okay.
Etenye running mate be fra Ashanti region aba na mema Asante ma be so se koto aba ma no
compensation for not maybe treating them right.
Because adwa me say omo aye bo mu di so mu fra Asante ma mu nyina se ye mpa omo as running mate no. They are still in the government.
But omo nche da nye.
So you me so what has been their impact?
E wa Asante mu. Okay. Okay.
Because you can't what him say a minister I will post scratcher in vice president.
Minister.
Yes.
Swafo.
Because vice president the man penny can alcohol.
And so there will no.
But minister there, you have the full constitutional background. Yeah,
yes.
It ye me say omo ese ye ni abre say ye pre omo be ye running mate and former Dr. Momo be me free Ashanti region. What has been your impact?
E wa Asante man mo.
It is Asante man be to about the NPP ne free ne NPP no wa ya. Then it means that those people now what party no.
I say all of a sudden you be a ma Asantefo ani age say you choose will be from there to compensate how we treated them.
Research be no e kire say ye muji running mate for Asantefo ma Asantefo asoro beto abada NPP. Asantefo adwa NPP. Munim ne nti
Asantefo adwa NPP.
Munim de to adwa NPP.
Nya abotre.
Mun kodam ko deal with that.
Asantefo.
Oh yes.
Adwa NPP.
Adwa oh. Me say omunim de nti a Asanteman edwa NPP.
So problem day ground.
It nye
and on person somebody running mate no be compensate.
Oh.
Okay.
Won't me gina fa na ngrofo nso gina fa.
Won't me so party this na so Asante region o.
Edu na ka chem so ko yi running mate fra Asante ne be ma Asantema to abade ma NPP. Ho ne kan.
Na zo mbereki 18 no a wo so mo hwe Asantema.
Under the Fourth Republic obi enu a wonya more vote to Ashanti region than another than Kwakufuado in NPP.
Oh yeah, the people believed in him. The people really believed in him. Oh.
President Kufuor for Asante Mantem. Vote a President Kufuor the Nyan Ashanti region. President Kufuor.
They say the people really believed in the current government.
Enye running mate asem. Munyai Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Na on scan it through. No who baby obey running mate and free.
Who the cap fits.
Na munya da Ashanti agenda no emfa na emfa so munyai
se fa wo soro ho kura no emfa wo grounds
munyai
okay
na mo party ni mo acha wa Ashanti region no mo siesi na mo solve
problem no ene here
the no odin dodo the Daily Statesman 10,720 housing units to address housing deficit comes to the picture of Minister of Works and Housing Kojo Oponkroma. Supreme Court dismisses injunction against new ministers. GRA to become more business friendly. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia assures AGI. $300 million loan from World Bank hits Bank of Ghana account. Presby moderator urges sacrifice for greater good. Diplomatic finance of whatever. Daily Statesman. ABC News. VIP Bawumia right, GRA harassing our business traders. Reshuffle of CEOs next week as President Akufo-Addo dissolves GRA board. Zipline hits over 500,000 medical delivery milestone. Ghana needs problem solvers and people with integrity. Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia, ABC News. The Anchor. Bawumia campaign trade hit Kwawu Easter this Saturday with its possible unity walk and mini rally. Yendi NPP delegates ready for rerun after EC's recommendation. NDC renews fight with judiciary. Kaswa Mason manhood report force, says Municipal Security Council. Daybreak and NM. Clergyman fingered in Bawumia running mate Bruhaha. GRA. Julie is CG for only 6 months. Soldier hit customs. World Bank $300 million hit BOG account. Daybreak.
Abusia so ne yegina na your online portal ne so nsem de obokrata na personal yedi ni nyina esi yeda ye ho abe na ye woda na kai se agokansi beba ho se pebeba na afa kwa na asem no ebedika e wo ha na ye team no so bi nam kwan so ya wonom ekokwu emu nkomo yedi na fufuo party so ho nkomo yebedi metena se na afa nkomo twetwe bi wonom a ye ye firi ho no ma na mpense mu atwa so bedwam so ne ye basisia.